Gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ Justice for Mohbad ẹ wá gbọ́ o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad ó ti wá di woro sí woro ó ti wá di gbasgbos àwọn public ti fèsì ara wọn o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice versus Yomi Fabiyi ẹ wá gbọ́ bí public bọ́n ṣe fèsì ara wọn àwọn tíìmù Wùmí àtàwọn tíìmù Yomi ẹ wá gbọ́ gbasgbos left and right ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice yìí náà wọ́n ti wá sọ di competition báyìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ibi tó ń wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ò ní rí ohun pé sọnù bí ò ṣe bí ọmọ mo ní mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ rí information yìí kí n máa mú wá fún yín ni ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ bá mi share bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń share ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV fún ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lè lé ìtẹ́kọ́ máa kàn sí péjì ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV ẹ̀yin náà rí báwọn èèyàn ṣe subscribe ọ̀fẹ́ ni subscription ọ̀fẹ́ ni like ọ̀fẹ́ ni comment ọ̀fẹ́ ni share sanwó kankan lórí ẹ̀ because àwọn kan máa ń wò bóyá táwọn bá share wọ́n máa jáwó táwọn bá subscribe wọ́n máa yọwó irọ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ bá comment ọ̀fẹ́ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ bá share ọ̀fẹ́ ni ṣó ti yé yín ó yá bí mo ṣe ń wò yín yẹn ó yá ẹ máa bá mi subscribe fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe ni o tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ tí wàá wo fídíò yìí tán ẹ bá mi share ẹ wá gbọ́ bí àwọn public bó ṣe ń fún àwọn jẹ gbàsgbòs lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad àti Yomi Fabiyi ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Everywhere. And like anybody call you on the phone, that your husband passed, or something happened. He's beating him back and forth. Listen now. Because she did not know God. She was not the one that called the nurse, and she know nothing about that nurse. She was still believe the nurse was sent by the people that was beating her. Okay, good. Okay, Tolani, wonderful. We get it now. Hold on there. Now, okay. So you said somebody was beating her husband back and forth. If somebody is beating my husband back and forth, I will report that person to the police. Number one, they did not report. Okay, hold on. You also remember there was a video where Oba said Cynthia is also among them. Cynthia is among. Okay, leave that alone. I don't want to say anything about her. Just let me answer you. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Tolani, you said that she said that the industry, she said that, she just assumed that it was the industrial gods that sent the nurse to come and inject her husband. That was, can you allow me? Tolani, that means that she knows the industrial god. Because you cannot accuse somebody you don't know. So all these people that were beating her husband, who are they? What are they? The industrial god? Okay, now we get it. When you have a boss in hold on. So you mean that when the nurse came to treat Mohbad, she did not know that it was the industrial gods.
Maybe.
She did not know the nurse. Okay, I understand. Hold on. It was after Mohbad died. At what point did she realize that it was the industrial god that sent the nurse? Have you lost your husband before?
Yeah.
Are you aware that you're wasting your time on this person? Have you lost your husband before? Because you have not there. So, are you aware?
They
are both talking to each other. Please, please, let's speak. Why are you asking her if she has lost her husband before? Yeah, I will ask her because you can't listen. Because if you are not there, you can't talk about them. It makes sense now. You should be respectful. She is. It is easy for you. It's easier for you to say, báyìí ló ṣe yẹ ká handle nǹkan nígbà tó o ti sí bẹ̀rẹ̀. It is easier for you pé tó bá jẹ́ mi ni màá ṣe báyìí kò tí ì ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ rí. That is why you have not answered my question yet. At what point in time did she realize that it was the industrial gods that sent the nurse? Just simple question. At what point in time does she realize? Did she realize that it was the industrial gods? Because she did not know the nurse, she did not know anything about the nurse. So she would think. So if she did not know the nurse, Tolani, hold on now. She know the nurse. Hold on, Tolani, give me a second. She did not know the nurse. How can you allow somebody you don't know to come inside and treat your husband? No, all the nurses are treating you if you go to the hospital. Did you know that? Can't you answer that question?
Everybody in front of you. That's good.
You are not done now. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Tolani, I told you, this woman will waste your time. She will waste your energy. She cannot handle the intellectual conversation. then. Oh, I don't joke. The second time I'm meeting you and you are still energy on husband. Even if you want to convince us, that should be a way you should do it intellectually, not you coming here and be insulting people at all times.
No, it's okay.
You are an adult for crying out loud.
It's okay. No, that's all right. No, it's all right. It's okay.
What is your problem? Answer question every time. And you want to convince us for what? Let us know the reason why you want to convince us. Oh yeah, we did not do it. Somebody did it. Then tell us who did it. And how best we can handle it. Do you have to do it for the rest of your life?
She said tell us who did it.
Go and ask the police. Go and ask what the shit down.
Tolani, if people are blaming Wunmi, you cannot bring any reason why people should not blame her. You cannot any good reason, any reasonable way to defend her.
This is not making sense.
So you see the problem. You have, if you are blaming people,
say something
let them to convince us. No, this is what
you guys are
I'm not blaming on okay. That night, particularly that night,
Please mute now. This conversation here, we'll be having a very smooth conversation. Let's ask ourselves.
I've been asking her question reasonably. She kept saying the same thing. What do you
Where is Tolani?
Anywhere you are.
maybe she don't know. Okay. Okay.
If she's ready to dialogue, you can bring her up. If not, let her go. That's
I'm trying to say that particular night that nurse was not detained. One of them make sure that nurse was not detained. I'm blaming all of them for that. It's not only on Wunmi. Because if really they know that nurse was the one when, as they said, Mohbad was okay when she. At least they should have not just allow, okay, it is normal, yes, sometimes medical complications, but you at least, as a loved ones, don't just accept that moment. Try to investigate first. Why did that happen? You know, like,
okay, sorry. You know that they said that they took her police station and he made
Have you listened to Darusha? Did you remember the nurse lawyer came to that house that day before the nurse left? Have you listened to Darusha's statement?
what is Darusha said?
They only want Wunmi to do everything. Wunmi got the problem. And you guys said Wunmi is a because why are you expecting that? The only thing Wunmi owe her husband is protection. Their husband and wife. When did she become yes. So you come and protect ìyàwó ni. Why would you protect
I'm asking you guys now.
Husband should not feel like your word. What are you saying? Not her husband now. It wasn't her husband. So but they live together. She that's what we're asking her. It's not like we want to buy her. We just want her to take responsibility. Get that straight, woman. Get it straight. Stop defending all
So
that you are
Papa
defending
does not
don't
take
work.
responsibility of burying the boy early, then Wunmi doesn't have to take any responsibility for anything.
She still has the right láti explain. Not you coming out the second day and be giving narratives that somebody buy her. Yeah, you have collected that from me. Come and take your trophy. Okay, who? Tell us now. Show us the way.
She said what she said, what she wanted to say it.
Tolani, could you show you as how? Are you a part of as per what she wrote? What she wrote, she was quick in asking, in typing that day, right? And directing the whole world to Naira Marley and Safari. So she should defend it. Tell us. Not later you guys will come up and tell
Sorry, one second. Please, 1 second. Bukola, please, I want to ask you a question. I think I asked Tolani the question the other time. What I asked Tolani, Bukola, please, you can unmute. Yeah, I said, let's assume that Mohbad is your younger brother.
Yes.
Right? And Mohbad was not sick. Nothing happened to Mohbad. He's still unhealthy. And let's say you saw him on a Saturday night or on a Friday night. And he went to a show on a Sunday afternoon. And on Monday, you put a call through to him. You couldn't reach him throughout Monday. And on Tuesday, you were told that it's gone. Just like that. What will your reaction be as elder sister? What will you do?
Yes, I would ask the wife what happened. If she tells me what happened and I still doubt her, Adura is there, a younger brother or any member of the family that is there, I will ask him what happened. And if the story is the same thing, I don't think I have to doubt the wife or blame the wife that the wife is responsible for it at all. I won't do that. I will ask who is responsible, and of course, the only thing I will blame them is that why didn't they detain the nurse? That's the only thing I see that is the problem like that. Why didn't they detain the nurse? That's all. I will both of them for not detaining the nurse.
Okay, God bless you, Bukola. I like that. I like
Okay,
that.
Super Baba, I want to ask you a question.
Hold on now. Oh, let me take a sorrow. You know, I've been quiet for everybody since. God bless you, Bukola. At least you were sincere that you will ask, why didn't you guys detain the nurse? Okay, right? God bless you. That was a good one. Now, if I may now ask again,
Yes.
there was a nurse in question now. There is a nurse, or let's say 2 nurses in this equation. And something happened, and about 2 people blamed the nurse. And nobody, according to what you just said now, could pin down this nurse, say, as a Yoruba girl now, you know that kind of a thing, Yoruba stuff now.
Yes.
Everybody, you know how Yoruba lady could behave now. But Bukola, we did not see that kind of reaction.
How are you sure she doesn't react like that? How are you so sure that she doesn't react like that? Nobody.
Yeah, this is where.
Said that sound.
Hold on, Bukola. Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Yes.
Now, hold on, Bukola. Hold on. Why are we saying I don't think so is this? You as a person, you are talking about John Soro, this simple to shock coin. No, si kan wa wọlé. Torí pé ọkọ ní kí ló ti ń pè ọkọ ní small injury lọ́wọ́ ó wá fún ọkọ ní injection ọkọ bá gbàbẹ̀ ó dákẹ́. Now, as a proper Yoruba woman, ọmọ kí wọ́n mọ̀ wá wọ́n sọ pé Yorùbá a máa ń pariwo. As a proper Yoruba woman, gbogbo estate yẹn máa gbẹ́jọ lé wọn lórí tọ́jọ́ yẹn. Kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀.
Bó ṣe máa rí ní àbúrò kí àbọ̀ síbò.
Ó wá gún ọkọ mi lábẹ́rẹ́.
Okay, Super Baba.
Nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn ò ní lọ anywhere.
Onílọ.
Tọ́lá ní sùúrù náà.
I want to answer your question.
Bukola mo ṣì ń bi lé.
Yeah. But let me just correct you on one sentence that you said. You know that he did not die in the house. He was taken to the hospital.
Yeah.
Maybe he died on the
something, but he didn't die in the house. That's what
Who says
they
so?
just
Okay, maybe.
said.
Okay, maybe he died on the way to the hospital.
On the way to the hospital. So
And
let's
doctors
not
say
not that
ẹni
has
tí
not
kú ti pẹ́.
injection, he died or anything like that. They still
died this time.
that's why they took him. Yeah,
It's
so
already in
Took
stage
him
2.
to the hospital. Oh,
go on.
okay.
Okay, Supervisor, please let me answer your question. That your question now. You said
Okay, go ahead.
as Bajeje Yoruba, over coming injection.
Yeah.
Okay, if Wunmi did not react like that, why did Baba o react better? Ìyá o react better. Torí ìyá àbúrò ò react bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Tí Wunmi bá fail láti react bẹ́ẹ̀, ìyá tó bí ọmọ nínú ò react bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò pariwo, bàbá tó bí ọmọ nínú kò react bẹ́ẹ̀. So kí ló dé ta wá? Do you understand?
Ayé àdá bàbá
Àbúrò tó bí ọmọ tó ní ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kò
Ó fún wa
react.
àtọmọ díẹ̀ lẹ́nu jọ ní sùúrù.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ní sùúrù búkì.
What that is to
Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kí ó
all the
mo
family.
láì kan tó lárí náà sọ yẹn. Yes, mo láì kan tó lárí náà sọ yẹn. You see, ìgbà tíyàwó ò ti react, àbúrò tó jẹ́ ìjẹ Mohbad náà, ìyẹn náà kò react. Ìyẹn another point. Náà, ìyá tó wá bí ọmọ ẹ̀gbọ́n nínú ara ẹ̀ tó dẹ̀jẹ̀ lọ́mọ lórí, ìyẹn náà ò tún react. Right?
Bàbá tó sọ pé àwọn lápò àwọn náà ò tún react.
Bàbá náà wáyé náà, bàbá náà ò tún react, bàbá náà wá bí ìyàwó lérè pé kí ló ṣọkọ
Ó dẹ̀ sọ fún yín pé nǹkan báyìí ló ṣe.
ẹ lọ ro
Ẹ máa gbọ́ Supervisor. Ìyàwó dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ máa gbọ́. Ìyàwó dẹ̀ sọ pé báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ ṣe òkú tán, bàbá yẹn dẹ̀ sọ pé ìyàwó kúnlẹ̀ kí n ṣàdúrà fún ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ ṣàdúrà fún kí lẹ wá fẹ́ kí ìyàwó ṣe. Kí ló ti yàwó?
Wọ́n ní orí ìyá rẹ̀
Bàbá ìyàwó ṣàdúrà fọmọ oúnjẹ fún ayọ̀ ní màmá fún.
Ẹ ti gbọ́ ẹ gbọ́ ẹ gbọ́. The same question you ask ẹ sọ pé kí ló tí òun wà ní nọ́ọ̀sì. You said why
If Baba said that when she heard the phone call and the way
that was on the way.
people are talking, he knew Mohbad is dead. And
That was on the way, right?
He told when they're on their way and he
because if you guys said Baba saw the Lord, there's no way that some about will not see the
there's
Lord.
one thing I don't like about you guys. You will assume and you think with that assumption that is true. Nobody said they showed her. They showed Baba, but they didn't show the mama. If they told her a nurse killed the guy, it wasn't even in the hospital. She doesn't know who the nurse is. There are a lot of people in that place.
I saw the nurse. That's a lie. At the coroner inquest, the nurse was asked if she saw Baba. She said, no, I have never seen him. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing him. Can I answer you now? Can I answer you? Wait. No, remember, no, Mama and Mama. No, wait. The nurse said, wait. Mama. If the driver was called 9
Let her ask her question.
Yes, if the driver was called 9 a.m. to go report himself to the police station on Tuesday, and later between 11 and 12 was called back that the guy he took to the show yesterday had died. Who did the nurse come to treat at 2:30 p.m. Tolani?
That's a good
Yes,
question.
can I answer you?
No. Why did Wunmi keep
I love
the
this
report,
question.
the police report that was given to her? I listened to Pythagoras when they were explaining when the lawyer went to them to the police station, they were giving one a test or whatever, and then the hospital. Why didn't Wunmi present it to her so-called alleged by forced father-in-law? Those are my questions. Yes, it was. No report was given. Who did the nurse come to treat? 2:30. Okay, can I answer you, Mama T? Mama T, first of all, you said, what did you say? You said the nurse did not see Baba Mohbad, but did not saw Mama.
At the coroner inquest, the nurse had never set her eyes on
together. So how come the nurse will see Mama, will not see Baba? They go to the house together, Neo. Baba never saw the nurse. Did not say Did you read the CTC about the nurse and the question whether she saw Baba or not? Or they go to the house together. Then you go to the CTC, right?
Bukky said Mama never saw the nurse too.
What are you saying? Wait. You just said you saw Baba. What are you talking about? Wait. If the nurse said, I saw Mama, kò lè sọ pé òun ò rí Baba. You are not saying. She said it with her mouth. She didn't see Baba. Tolani, who did the nurse come to treat at 2:30? Okay, wait. She said, who did the nurse come to treat? You are saying this because of what the driver said, right? Hello. Okay, now what make you believe the driver was saying the truth? Why won't the driver say the truth? Why would you came and driver and not believe the driver tell us it's the truth? We came and said it's true. Many people actually left the house that night. A bike, a rider, and Darusha, whatever is his name. No, you should never mention those things in the beginning. Why now? You chose who to believe, right? I'm not choosing who is going to say the rider and Darusha. Somebody else called the driver. What are you saying? So that we can hear our Wumi never told us anybody left the house 3 a.m. in the morning. But with that VM that she sent to Yomi, she was like, Tony, 3 people left. Darusha and the rider and another person. So why do you think every other thing the driver said is not legit? Give the gift. Can you answer that? Meaning, the driver knew exactly what he was saying. Stop defending what you don't know. Okay? Stop it. You've passed that stage. Mama, don't ask me any questions, guys. I'm gone. I just wanted to let you know that we know more than you.
Let me say something on the driver. I was in court, and they asked the driver again, do you still remember the number that called you? He said he can't find the number. It's like a customer service number. You people are shouting that they didn't take the testimony of the driver. The driver is not stable in court. I was in court that day. You people should let people that was in court to tell you the truth. They asked me a simple question. Can you bring the number that called you 11 a.m., 9 a.m. Mohbad have died? He said he looked like a customer service number.
His testimony at the corona inquest. He gave his testimony on BTM. Why would you think he doesn't know what he's saying?
Wait, please, let me ask Fekemi this question. By the time the driver went to that corona, and that time you are talking about that he said they called him, how many months was that already?
It's over. It's over.
So how even you yourself, someone just called you. You cannot save that number on your phone now.
Magistrate.
It was just number.
Magistrate. You all know
it's possible.
Come. You are not here. Come. Because you people, I don't want to
No, but what I'm trying to say is it's valid to say that I don't have the number because he said just someone.
Please let me speak. Please. Okay, just for 3 minutes. This case is between evidence and self-narrative. Let's just take it like that. Look at what happened today now. What happened today? Maybe yesterday, Baba Mohbad was saying they didn't go for engagement and somebody, one of them brought evidence out. Even they have actually for it. So you understand me? If you people can believe whatever you want to believe, but I know these guys, they have evidence. That's why I said I want to speak with survivors.
Well, you said husband and wife in that picture or that video. We only saw groomsmen, and groomsmen can be for anybody.